Which pasta type is shaped like tiny grains of rice?
Penne, orzo, fusilli, farfalle. The correct answer is orzo.
Which gemstone is commonly associated with the color blue? Sapphire, amethyst, tanzanite, citrine. The correct answer is sapphire. Which quirky phrase means something excellent or outstanding? Dog's whiskers, cat's mustache, cat's beard, cat's whiskers. The correct answer is cat's whiskers. A capital with a French name in Africa. Libreville is the capital of which country? Gabon, Georgia, Ghana, Guatemala. The correct answer is Gabon. Set in the Roaring Twenties, this classic novel explores themes of wealth, obsession, and the American dream through the eyes of Nick Carraway. Which book is it? The Great Gatsby, The Sun Also Rises, The Catcher in the Rye, A Room with a View. The correct answer is The Great Gatsby. A heart behind the golden arches. What did Ray Kroc donate to the Ronald McDonald House Charities? His personal fortune, the rights to the McDonald's name, the McDonald's trademark, a percentage of the company's profits. The correct answer is his personal fortune. In the late 19th century, this German engineer changed transportation forever by creating a machine powered by a gasoline engine. What is Carl Benz best remembered for? Inventing the light bulb, inventing the telephone, inventing the automobile, inventing the airplane. The correct answer is inventing the automobile. What's the name of the largest crater on Ganymede, Jupiter's largest moon? Epigeus, Galileo, Tros, Kepler. The correct answer is Epigeus. In 2002, this actress made history by becoming the first African-American woman to win the Academy Award for Best Actress, thanks to her role in Monsters Ball. Who was she? Who was she? Charlize Theron, Halle Berry, Hilary Swank, Renee Zellweger. The correct answer is Halle Berry. In which century did German artist Albrecht Dürer live and work? 15th century, 16th century, 17th century, 18th century. The correct answer is 16th century. Say hello to this global icon. Who first designed Hello Kitty in 1974? Hayao Miyazaki, Naoko Takeuchi, Yuko Shimizu, Rumiko Takahashi. The correct answer is Yuko Shimizu. In which field did Mimar Sinan become famous? Architecture, cookery, philosophy, psychology. The correct answer is architecture. What is the nickname of the U.S. state of Nebraska? Cornhusker State, Chinook State, Beehive State, the Old Dominion. The correct answer is Cornhusker State. Who was Cleopatra's father? Ptolemy XII Auletes, Julius Caesar, Mark Antony, Octavian. The correct answer is Ptolemy XII Auletes. According to Aztec belief, How was Hutzilftli created? From Quetzalcoatl and Tezcatlipoca. Created by the goddess Tlazalteotl. His mother, Coatlicue, became pregnant after a ball of feathers descended from the sky and entered her womb. Created by the god of the underworld, Mictlantecuhtli. The correct answer is, his mother, Coatlicue, became pregnant after a ball of feathers descended from the sky and entered her womb. Da Vinci's blend of art and geometry. Which two geometric shapes are featured in the Vitruvian Man? Square and triangle. Circle and square. Circle and triangle. Rectangle and triangle. The correct answer is circle and square. Which architect designed the Louvre Pyramid in Paris? I.M. Pei. Norman Foster. Jean Nouvel. Santiago Calatrava. The correct answer is I.M. Pei. Which film holds the record for the most Academy Awards won in a single year? Titanic. Ben-Hur. The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King. La La Land. The correct answer is The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King. Which continents border the Atlantic Ocean? Africa, Europe, North America, South America. Asia, Africa, Europe. North America, South America, Antarctica. Europe, Asia, Australia. The correct answer is Africa, Europe, North America, South America. What is the capital city of Finland? Helsinki. Oslo. Prague. Vienna. The correct answer is Helsinki. If you climbed Mount St. Elias, which country would you be in? US. Brazil. Russia. Greenland. The correct answer is US. Which novel tells the story of boys stranded on an island trying to govern themselves? Lord of the Flies. The Coral Island. The Outsiders. The Hunger Games. The correct answer is Lord of the Flies. What is the title of the autobiography written by Neil Young? Waging Heavy Peace. In Pieces. Read, My Uncensored Life in Rock. I Like What I Know. The correct answer is Waging Heavy Peace. Which goddess fell in love with Adonis? Demeter. Aphrodite. Athena. Diana. The correct answer is Aphrodite. The Hagia Sophia's interior mosaics primarily depict Christian saints and biblical scenes, Islamic prophets and caliphs, Greek gods and goddesses, Roman emperors and empresses. The correct answer is Christian saints and biblical scenes. In Vedic astrology, which religious tradition regards emeralds as one of the most sacred gemstones linked to the planet Mercury? Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, Christianity. The correct answer is Hinduism. The Agulhas current flows along the eastern coast of which continent? Africa, Australia, Asia, Antarctica. The correct answer is Africa. What is Santa Claus called in Finland? Joulupukki, Kris Kringle, Babbo Natale, Sinterklaas. The correct answer is Joulupukki. Which iconic band released the album The Wall? The Beatles, Queen, Pink Floyd, Led Zeppelin. The correct answer is Pink Floyd. Who wrote the line, "It was the best of times, it was the worst of times"? William Shakespeare, Jane Austen, Mark Twain, Charles Dickens. The correct answer is Charles Dickens.